Hello students, in the previous video we solved exercise 11.3 question number 3. Today we are going to continue exercise 11.3 and solve question number 4. So let us solve it. Exercise 11.3, question number 4. Give expressions for the following cases. Students, in the previous video, expressions was given to us and we wrote the statements using the words multiplied, added, subtracted or divided for the given expressions. In this question, statements are given to us and we have to write the expressions. Students, you have to remember that if the word added or sum is given in the statement, then you have to use plus sign while writing the expression. If the word subtracted or difference or taken away is given, then you have to use minus sign. If the word multiplied, product or times is given, then you have to use multiply sign. And if the word divided is given, then you have to use divide sign. So now let us solve question number 4 and write the expressions using the operators plus, minus, multiply or divide. Sum A 7 added to P. Students, in this statement, the word added is given to us. So, we have to use plus sign. So, let us write the expression for the given statement by using plus sign. Thus, the expression for this statement is P plus 7. Now, sum B. 7 subtracted from P. Students, in this statement, the word subtraction is given. So, we have to use minus sign while writing the expression. Students, note that 7 is subtracted and not P. So, we have to write the expression accordingly. So now, let us write the expression using minus sign. Thus, the expression for this statement is P minus 7. Students, note that you have to write P minus 7 and not 7 minus P, as 7 is subtracted from P and not P is subtracted from 7. Students, if we will write 7 minus P, then you will get incorrect answer. Now, sum B. P multiplied by 7. Student, in this statement, the word multiplied is given to us. But we will not use multiply sign, as we know that in algebra we can ignore multiply sign while multiplying a variable by a constant. So now let us write the expression for the given statement by ignoring multiply sign. Thus, the expression for this statement is 7p. Now, 7d, p divided by 7. Students, in this statement, the word divided is given to us. So, we have to divide. Students, we can divide in form of fraction. As we know that fraction is nothing, a special division. So now let us write the expression for this statement. Thus, the expression for this statement is P upon 7. Students, note that you can also write this expression using divide sign. Now, sum E, 7 subtracted from minus M. Students, read the statement carefully and say that while writing the expression which sign we have to use. Also state that 7 is a positive integer or a negative integer, and a given variable is positive or negative. Yes, your answers are correct. While writing the expression, we have to use minus sign. And 7 is a positive integer which we have to subtract from a negative variable minus n. So now let us write the expression for 7 subtracted from minus m. Thus, the expression for this statement is minus m minus 7. Now, sum f minus p multiplied by 5. Students, in this statement, we have to multiply minus p, a negative variable, by 5, a positive integer. Thus, multiplying minus p by 5, we get 5 multiplied by minus p. Students, we know that in algebra, we ignore multiply sign when a variable is multiplied by constant. But in this statement, we put multiply sign because if we will not put multiply sign, then we will get the expression as 5 minus p, and it will be read as p subtracted from 5 instead of minus 5 multiplied by p. So we use multiply sign while writing the expression. Students, note that instead of a negative variable minus p, if it is given to us a positive variable p, then we may ignore the multiply sign as we get the expression 5p, and it is read as p multiplied by 5 only. Students, also note that we can also write the expression as minus 5p as minus 5p or 5 multiplied by minus p. Both are equal. Also, multiplying 5 by minus p, we will get minus 5p. Thus, the expression for this statement is minus 5p. Students, solve some G and H by yourself. Thank you and have a fantastic day.